Make sure you're working on the donut. Keep going. Yeah, good job. One more minute. We're going to go over them. All right, we're good.
What's 5 times 6 in? What's 5 times 7? Now, did those two have the same variable? Boys. Did those two have the same variable? This has n and this doesn't have any. So I can't combine them. All I do is multiply. Do the same thing on number 2. Okay.
I know. All right, Nick, come do number 1 for us. Number 2, Marty, do you want to do number 2? Okay, come on. And 3 and 4 will wait until they're out of the way. Very good, Nick. So remember, when we're distributing, we take what's out front and multiply it by everything inside the parentheses. 5 times 6n is 30n. 5 times 7 is 35. Can we combine those?
No.
Why not? This one has a variable. What kind of number is this? A constant. What does constant mean, Hayden?
Stays the same.
Stays the same, and it does not have what, Skylar? Doesn't have a variable. Go ahead, Morgan. Good. And then we want to have something in between them. So a negative times negative gives me a. Very good. So negative 6 times x gives us negative 6x. Negative 6 times negative 2 gives us positive 12. Can we combine those?
No.
Why not?
It's a constant.
They are not like terms. Very good. Now on these, first we had to distribute and then we had to combine. So I need 2 volunteers, a boy first and then a girl. All right, Joey. And then Skylar, you can do the next one. Make sure you're checking theirs. All right, let's look at it. if we have 6 out front, we don't want to add it yet, because we just want to multiply, right? Which comes first in order of operations? Parentheses, then multiplication. So Joey multiplied what was on the outside of the parentheses by everything that was on the inside. 10 times 3a is 30a. 10 times 7 is 70. Perfect. Do you guys see anything in there that we can maybe combine? Dusty?
The 70 and the 6.
The 70 and the 6. Why can we combine those two? Joey, what do you think?
Maybe because they both have variables.
Neither of them have a variable. Can you add 70 and 6 for us?
Yeah.
Go fix it. Alright, now let's look at number 4. Okay, if we do negative 3 times 8, that gives us negative 24. Negative 3 times positive 6b gives us what kind of 18b?
Negative.
Negative. And then, Skylar, let me ask you a question. If we have a negative 24 and a positive 8, what's going to happen? We're going to combine them. What happens if I have a negative 24 and I'm adding 8 good ones? I got to subtract it, and then which one, how do I know what the sign's going to be? The higher what? Absolute value. So what's 24 minus 8?
16.
16. Which one of those had a higher absolute value?
24.
24, and it is negative, so it's going to be a negative 16. Can we fix it for us? And then it should be minus 18b.
Where's our test from this?
We just started it.
Yeah, but it's
You ready for a test already?
Yeah.
This is just part of our simplifying expressions, okay? Take a pass with you. All right, so you guys, since Joey's ready for a test already, I think you guys you feel okay about this?
No.
I know we need some more practice, and that's what we're doing today. Because remember, we've been talking about what expressions are and how we can simplify them. We've talked about different ways we can simplify by combining like terms, which is what you guys just did on these bottom two. And sometimes we might have to use the distributive property to help us simplify. And you guys couldn't remember the distributive property from last year, so we tried to refresh it some. But we still are having a little bit of trouble, so that's what we're going to practice today. Okay? We're going to do different stations, but your stations are going to be close to you. You're going to have a piece of paper you're going to work it out on, and then I'm going to tell you about them. Yeah, you can. Oh, Grady is going to pass these out for me. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what we're going to do while he's doing that, okay? You're going to have, Grady, will you put your foot down, please? There are 6 different stations that you're going to be at. Each station has different kinds of distributive properties, okay? So station 1 is just like these first two. It just has one number out front. We have to distribute it to both the ones on the inside. Okay? Station 2 is more like these down here. You have to distribute one number, and then you're going to want to combine like terms, if we have any. Station 3, we're working with fractions a little bit. So don't let that scare you. We can multiply with fractions. Station 4, we're going to have some negative numbers in there, but doing the same thing. Station 5, you have to combine like terms along with distributing. And then station 6, because some of us really like multiple choice, station 6 is matching, so you already have your answers. You just have to match up which goes with which. Okay? So after you do your paper, I need you to write your name on the top, because some of us forget that sometimes. I can't give you a grade if you don't have a name up there. Gracie. I don't know, we'll see. Joe.
Is it going to be, on the station things, it's going to be all of these?
you're gonna have a paper at each station that you'll see. And station 1 will be just like these. Station 2 will be just like these. They're all stuff we've seen before. Now I know our light has been flickering. You guys want me to try it and have them on, or you like lights off? Okay. You guys stay awake on for me. If you think you can choose your own partner and work very, very good together, I will let you do that. However, don't move yet. We have, if you'll notice, we've got the desks turned kind of funky today. So like, whoever's sitting here is going to be paired with this person, and they'll have a sheet to share. Okay? I need you to find one partner. Do that quietly, and then pick a desk. Pick a pair of desks. Find one partner and pick a pair of desks. You can still be your partner. Save her stuff. Okay? Move quietly to a spot after you choose a partner.
Can we have one group of 3?
Let me see.
Stacy, do I have to sit over here? I'll be here.
You have to sit in front of him. You guys promise you're going to work good for me? You gonna let you work together? Okay. Deontay needs a partner, I think. Skylar is his partner. You can be Deontay.
Stacy.
Caleb, you have a partner?
I'm just gonna.
Great, come on. Come on, Caleb, join the group leaders. You can join their group.
Stacy, we're scared.
He's taking his star test today. Alright, once you are in your group, I need you to be quiet. Each group is going to get a starting point. So pay attention to what station number you have to begin with, okay? You guys are going to start at station 1. You guys are also going to start at station 1. I'm going to bring you paper, okay? You guys are going to start at station 2. Deontay and Isaac. You're still in each other's group. I just need you to start at station 3. You're going to start at station 3. You are. These are done. You're going to start at station 4. If you already have a station, you can get started. If you're waiting, wait patiently. You're going to be at station 5. You guys are at station 6. I need everybody's eyes really quickly. Station 6 has a bag of answers and choices, okay? On your answer sheet, if you look at station 6, it has one column for one expression. You write the equal expression directly beside it, okay? So you look at those cards to help you find the two expressions. You think it's too easy? Alright, try those for me.
Oh, wow.
And I'm going to time us on the station. So if you finish, wait patiently. Right there. Perfect. So let me see. 9x minus 45. Perfect. 7x minus 20. Perfect. It's just really that easy.
We're good. Stacy.
Yeah. Okay.